I am GFD staff member engineer you. Today we are here to introduce you how to clean and replace freezer seal tape. If the freezer has not been cleaned for a long time in the course of daily use, mold will develop on the sealing tape, so in the next section 1, we'll give you a demonstration of cleaning. Start cleaning. The following I will explain is the replacement of the sealing tape. Sealing tape can become aged or damaged in the course of extended use. When this problem occurs, we need to replace. Following I show you how to uninstall the seal. Following I will show you how to replace the seal with a new one. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.